Welcome. If you want to get this animated Galaxy wallpaper on your ZTE Axon 11 5G, you have to go for the Play Store and get the Shadow Galaxy application. So let me just show you how it looks. So go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here the Super Galaxy. Okay, and we have to get, okay, there's some games. So let's add here the wallpaper, Galaxy Super Wallpaper, yeah. And we have to get this application, the Shadow Galaxy, from the maxalus.net. So let's click install. Click open. Open one more time and tap to set as a live wallpaper. We can apply this this wallpaper on the home screen, but also we can do this on the home screen and the lock screen. So you have to just select where you want to get it. And I think I'm going to apply on the both. So let's click here in my case, then just go back on the home screen. And as you can see right now, the wallpaper is activated and is going to show us all the Galaxy. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.